I'm going to share screen. You can see. What school is it? Okay, just go on. The school is CHIJ. You know what the CHIJ stands for? It's Convent of the Holy Infant. Infant means baby Jesus. Okay, so you have a Convent of the Holy Infant Jesus and Nicholas Girls. 2018 prelim exam. Okay, and here we go. Again, you can do this. You can, oops, sorry, this is paper 1. You want to go to paper 2 because paper 1, you girls are already okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you all know that you are. It really depends on who is that. I thought that was what's the name? I didn't know that. You have influenced others to like Greco. Okay, here we go.
Teacher.
All right, you can use calculator for this one. All right. Can use calculator.
But I never bring because I was rushing. 1 hour 30 minutes ago, I got tuition for 7 hours.
Tuition.
Mr. Shaheed, go toilet for one.
Okay, no problem. Okay, because we only have 3 weeks left before your exam, or less than 3 weeks.
No, we only got like 20 plus days.
Yeah, 20 plus days. Today is the 11. Yeah.
I got the calendar on my Gmail.
My answer is 2.5. And plus, right, the countdown for the PSLE thing, right, it's just beside the class.
I see.
Ow.
Your answer, you can use calculator, no?
Answer is 2.5.
Well,
Your answer is 2.5 kg. 2.5 kg, I can still pack 1.2 kg some more.
Wait,
Right?
so it's 15 divided by 1.2, right? Plus.
Okay, I won't tell you.
12.5.
Yeah, 12.5 is the number of bags. Please be careful. When you want to find the number of bags, you can only pack a maximum of how many bags?
Oh.
How many bags can you pack? If you get
12.
12.5? 12. 12. So you find out what is 12 bags.
0.5 kg left.
No. 0.5 bag left, not 0.5 kg.
By 1.2.
Why don't you find out what is 12 bags first? 12 bags, 1 bag is 1.2. 12 bags is how much?
Your bag is
14.4.
14.4.
14.4.
So you take 15 kg. Zahira, are you here? Zahira, are you okay?
0.6
0.6 what?
kg.
Kg. So remember, when you get 12.5, the 0.5 is not in kg, you know. It is in the bag. So you need to find out. There's 2 ways of doing this. That is one way. Okay, we'll run through. We try to run through. I do not know. Zahira has started or not? Zahira, are you okay? Okay, so I'm gonna. So you take 15 divided by what is 1.2. You get 12.5. Now, at this, some students will say balance is 0.5 kg. No, the balance is 0.5 bags. But you cannot sell half a bag. Imagine you go and buy twisties, and then they only got half a packet of twisties. You will be very upset, right? So that half a packet you cannot sell. But how much is it? 2 ways of doing this. Number 1, you take 12 bags because you can pack 12 full bags. So you take 12 times 1.5 because 1 bag is 1.5 equals to, you get 14.4. Next step, take 15 kg minus 14.4 equals 0.6. Now I'm going to show you another method. So the answer is 0.6 kg. I'll show you another method. This other method, if you can understand this, is very good. Okay. Now we come back to this. 12.5 bags, there's an extra 0.5 bags. So you want to find a shorter way, just take 0.5. You try this on your calculator. Times 1 bag is 1.2 equals to, what's your answer? Aduh, so delicious. Now take 0.5 times 1.2. 0.5 is the extra bag. You cannot sell it. That's the leftover.
0.6.
0.6. So okay. So now 0.6 kg is correct. Now you must understand. Sometimes they give you these questions dealing with water, and then there's let's say the answer is you divide by 12. You get 12.2. 0.2 is not the answer, but you must times how much is 1 cup. Same thing. Now here you must times what's the weight of 1 bag. Okay, I'm going to give you another question now, so that let's see whether you can do it. Okay, welcome to Miss Shafika. Shafika, we are going to do now my question now. Okay, we have already done the first question, so now let us do my question. I'm going to change the question because sometimes you get it in these letters. Okay, let's say waiter had seller. Oh. What happened? Sorry. I am too sensitive. I keep touching this new laptop here and there. It will run away from me. Okay, let's say a seller. Stuff lazim I touch again. A seller had, okay, let's say 12 liters of juice. Okay, he poured them into cups of 0.85 liters. Each cup is 0.85 liters. Now, two questions. One, how many full cups did he pour? Number two, what was the leftover amount of juice? Similar. This question is similar. Can you try this? Okay, you try, yeah? Seller had 12 liters of juice, whatever juice lah, might be durian juice or something. He poured them into cups of 0.85 liters each. Each cup is 0.85. It's quite a big cup. Okay? So, how many full cups did he get? Could he pour? Aduh, sakit kepala. Yes. Can do. Yes. You call my name, then you turn mute. Why? What happened? Now, don't do that to jinns. There have been cases people call up to the jinn, and the jinn actually come. Don't play the coin game and all that. Okay. But anyway, we're having PSLE, no more jinns.
Sure, yesterday Ustad come to my house.
Why?
My mom
Shaheed.
Yes. Who? Yes.
But then 12
But then 12, why you mute yourself again?
La Draco Malfoy.
but then like 12 divided by 0.0.
12 divided by 0.85, what's your answer? It's a whole number. Is it a whole number?
No, it's not.
Okay, good. So how many cups can you get? You get something like this, right? You get this number, right? Like that, right? Okay. Okay, good. So you must use the first method. Let's try first. Use the first method like what you did. You can fill how many cups? How many cups can you get? Full cups. 14. So find out how many liters of juice 14 cups has. 1 cup is 0.85. 14 cups is how much? Find out. Shafika, are you okay? You are very silent, Shafika. Okay, good. So now, you can minus lah. Shafika, are you there? Miss Husna? I'm not seen you for so long now. I'm starting to start.
kg.
Yeah. Not kg. Hello. We are talking about liters here. Liters. Yes. So, very simple. Now, there's two ways of doing this. Okay. One, you take 12 divided by 0.85. Then you get the answer 11 point. You just make it to the nearest whatever lah. 11 point what? What is the number?
11.9.
1112 lah. Okay. And then after that, you take, because you can have 11 cups. So 11 cups times what? 0.85. Okay. Then you get 11.9 liters. So these 11 cups can fill up. How many point? Is it correct? Correct. Is it correct?
12 divided by 0.85 is not 11.
Sorry. 14, ya Allah. 14.12, okay. Then take 14 times 0.85, you get 11.9, correct?
14.117.
Okay, but never mind, we convert to the nearest one. Okay, so now down here, what do? You take 12 liters minus 11.9, you get the answer, 0.1 liter. Okay, if you understand this method. Is it simple? Hello? Simple not? All simple, you can understand. Another way, if you know what this is, you can also, if let's say you know exactly, let's say 0. Give the exact number, 117. If you look at your calculator, 6471. This is the balance, right? Actually, the number is 14.1176471. You just take this and times by 1 cup is how much? 1 cup down here is 0.85 liters. You take this and you times by 0.85. What do you get? Can you try? You tell me what's the answer. Very nice eyelashes. Come, you try this one. 0.11766471. Anyone? Times 0.85, what do you get? Do you get 0.1 liter now?
0.110000.
0.11. So almost, because y is nearest, we have rounded it off down here. See, that's why you don't get so accurate. That's why the minus method is better. Unless you can get this as a fraction and you times, you will get correct. Now, do you get it? Or you need another question? I think I need to give you another question because I don't hear from Raihana. I don't hear from Shafika. I do not know. Okay? Don't think that if you turn off the video, it's good for you. It may not be good for you. Okay? So let's try. A baker had 20 kg of flour. He packed them into, hold on, 0.75 kg packets. So what, and had some flour left. How much flour was there?
The answer is 0.5.
What the answer is?
0.5 kg.
0.5 kg, you sure?
Yes.
Is it 0.5 packets or what? Are you making the same mistake that the C?
Teacher, what answer for this one? The question, the B.
B, that's now the one I gave that one. B was 0.1 kg lah. This one, right? This one. There's 0.1 kg. You minus, take 12 minus 11.9, 0.1. Okay, now. So you get like that. Yeah, congratulations, Miss Sophia. You are getting it, right? So it must make sense to you. If it doesn't make sense, no use. You must get the aha feeling. Rahana, are you there, Rahana? How you understand what's being taught? Hana, Rahana, Shafika? These are the lost girls. They are going to be
Sure,
lost
I
girls.
know. It's just that
You
just
know.
now my microphone wouldn't on.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay, in your case, your yeah.
Which is sorry if I don't answer.
Never mind. You don't show, it's okay. Just make sure you follow the make sure you follow the lesson. Okay. We'll ask Miss Zahira. Zahira, you can get the answer now, Zahira. Here. Just a moment, before. How, Ira?
Zahira, I can tell that your adik is nangis dekat background.
Yeah.
Okay. 1 minute more before I explain, or we will ask Sophia to explain in a moment. Sophia says the answer is 500 grams, and she's correct. Okay, 1 minute more. You will find that maths actually become very easy for you very soon because we have.
Can I take something?
Yes,
In gram or kg?
Up to you. You want gram, kg, up to you.
If kg is 5, right?
Kg is 5 kg, cannot be 5 kg. 0.5. 5 or 0.5? If 5 kg can still pack it some more. Okay. So I'm just gonna run through. Can I run through?
If answer put in kg, how much?
0.5. So let us see, okay? So at first there's 20 kg of flour. We divide it by 0.75. What do we get? We'll get how much? How much is the answer? Let me see. 26.6667. Actually, you can also write it as a fraction. 26 and 2/3, something like that. Okay? So 26 and 2/3, right? You can take that, or you want 6666667, up to you. So now you're going to have 26 packets here. So how much is 26 packets? 26 packets of flour times by one packet 0.75. So you will get 19 kg, 19 point something kg, 19.5 kg, right? Am I correct? 19.5 kg. So 20 kg minus 19.5 is equals to 0.5 kg or 500 grams. Okay, I'm not going to explain anymore because we have gone through 3 questions. Notice the style of teaching I'm using. I will give you the question. If you have a problem, I will create my own question until you are very clear that we move on. In this way, you are mastering different questions. If I just go on to the next question, I'm not too sure whether you have mastered the skill. Okay, so each question we may do 2-3 times, different forms. All right, we move on. Okay, if you still don't understand, you watch the video. All right, now Alice had 69 more candies than Bonnie. Kathy had 27 more. Draw a model. Draw a model. You draw a model, you can see it clearly.
I don't know.
You didn't draw. Do you draw the model? So fast you say, I don't know. You didn't draw. You must draw lah. Don't give up so soon. We are Muslims, you know. Muslims don't give up so soon. You learn, right? So far in the Battle of Badr, when they were fighting, and Uhud, they were fasting. The Muslims were fasting, no? But the army today, Muslim fasting, all will buka puasa. Means we had a very high standard. Okay, I want to see your models. I'm going to check your models. Please show me your models. Everyone must show me your models lah. Okay, then I know whether you're trying or not.
Oh, wait.
You can do this. You can do this. If you draw, you'll find it. Okay, so draw your models. I want to check your model.
It's answer 27.
27, I'm so sorry, it is not. Okay, we give you 3 more minutes, okay? Try to draw the model. I'll go through shortly. But if you can show me the model, that'll be even better. Ask yourself, who has the least? Draw that rectangle first. Who? Alice got the least, are you sure?
Bonnie. Bonnie.
Bonnie has the least. So you draw, first Alice has 69 more than Bonnie. So draw that first, show that. Katie has 27 more than Bonnie. You can draw that also. And then what do you do? And then you have to, okay, hold on, let me check. Hold on, now Zahira is showing me, she's the only one who's checking the thing. Okay, thank you very much. You have to draw 2 types of models actually. The first type is that you need to draw another type of model. Same model, but you need to rearrange it. Okay, Sophia, can I see yours? Didn't do. Shafika, do you do?
I did.
You did. Model, show me the model.
Wait. But mine is wrong.
But never mind, at least I know what you are doing. Otherwise, sometimes by knowing what you are doing wrong, I can tell you, oh, you must just
I don't know where
adjust.
to put the 40.
Okay, show me. Show me lah. Oh, like that. Okay. This one very fast. You give up lah.
I want to see the question.
Okay, we show you the question again. Okay, you try again. Zahira, your model for the first one, I think, if I'm not mistaken, is correct. But if I'm not mistaken, I said not mistaken, maybe the 40 might not be. Do you write 40 there? Then the 40 might not be correct. You have to draw another model, 2 different models. Okay, I'll just show you very quickly. You have to draw something like that, 2 models. You see, I draw 2 models. Can you see? Again, I show you have to draw 2 models. 1 with 3 of them. Now we'll go through in a moment. Then I have to give you another question.
I only know one model.
One model? Yeah. It's the same model, but you have to use. You don't like model. Well, some ladies like to be models, men also.
Mr. Shah, you're talking about another model, right?
Yeah, this one model. There's a fashion model. There was one lady by the name of Bonnie Hicks, I think 1997. She wrote a book called Excuse Me, Are You a Model? Because she was asked that question. And she became very popular after that also because of the book, but also because she died in a plane crash together with over 100 Singaporeans died in the Silk Air crash. You can ask your parents about it. And there is a memorial somewhere in Singapore for, okay, let me see, hold on, let me see, who is that? Hold on. Loser, lesser, 110 lesser.
Where do you put the 40?
You must, okay.
40.
So, okay, what about you? Okay, let me see. Wow.
I want to see the
Okay,
question.
yes. Correct. Okay, yours is correct. Miss, what's her name? Raihana, yours is correct. Model is correct, but you are jumping all around here and there. Okay, stop. Okay, so you can see the first one. Hey, don't move around lah. Hello, I want to show to. Wait. Let me take a screenshot of yours. Hold on. Okay, your models are correct. You can do already. Hers is correct. She got it. Okay, so we go through one by one. Okay, first of all, the first model I think you can do. What is the first model? We know that Bonnie down here has the least. So we draw like that, right? Now we are told that Alice has how much more than Bonnie? Alice has 69 more than Bonnie. So I draw down here 69. 69 quite a lot, right? This is Alice. Okay. And then Katie. Katie has more than Bonnie also. How much more? They say 27 more. So 27 is not bigger than 69, right? So this is model number 1. If you get this model, that's very good. Okay.
I put ACB.
ACB, okay. No problem. ACB, ABC, no problem. Now the next one, we have to draw now what they say. I'm gonna, I should draw it now this side now. Watch, They say that Alice has 40 less than than both of them. So I'm going to draw both of them down here. Watch, I draw both of them down here, below lah. I draw below here. Can you see? Can? Okay, this is the same size, 1. This is Bonnie, 1 unit. Katie has 1 unit plus 27. This is Katie. Can you see now? This one I put on here. This one I put it here. Now this 2 has more than her. How much more? They say 40 more.
40.
40 more. So I'm going to draw down here. So she has like that. This is now, who is this? This is Alice, right? Alice, and then she got until somewhere, let's say here lah, somewhere here. 69. So 40 is here, 40 is here, look. This is 40 here. Can see now? This is 40. Because she has 40 less.
Yes, tomorrow.
So Bonnie and Katie. Right? This part is 40. If you understand this part, very, very good. We can now forget about this part. We can cancel this part. Then we find out how much is it? 69 plus 40, how much is it? 69 plus 40 is Katie plus 27. Right? 69 plus 40 is the same as Katie plus 27. Katie is 1 unit. Right? Not Katie, sorry. 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. Katie is 1 unit plus 27, right? So 69 plus 40 is the same as 1 unit plus 27. Can you see now? If I draw a line on here, you don't need to bother about this side. 69 plus 40, what is it? 69 plus 40. This is equals to 1 unit plus 27. So I minus 20, I add this first. I get 109. So I have like that, plus 27. I minus 27, I get 1 unit is equals to 82. So who is 82? Bonnie is 82. You found your answer already. Can see now. One more time. What we do is, since they are comparing Alice to both of them, I stack them up. I draw Bonnie, I draw Katie. Katie is 1 unit plus 27, you see? So there's 2 units plus 27. Alice is 1 unit plus 69. And this is short by 40. So I label the 40 here. I now minus off this part down here because it's the same. Down here it tells me 69 plus 40 is the same as 1 unit plus 27. So 1 unit plus 27 is 69 plus 40. It's 109. Then I minus the 27, I get 82. So 1 unit is 82. I'm going to give you my question now. Okay? I just give you my question. Wait, okay, you try.
So what's the answer?
Answer is 82. Bonnie, 1 unit is 82. They ask you, what is Bonnie's?
82.
82.
Yeah, correct.
Because they want you to find what, you read the question, they want you to find how many candies does Bonnie have. So now I'm going to give you another question and you try to do. Okay.
Teacher, I want to ask you a question.
Yes. Yes. You seem to have disappeared again. Okay.
Wait, my mother is talking.
Okay. Okay, I will write the question here. Yes. Yeah. This is a new question. You try this,
You ever share screen?
No, I haven't
Okay,
shared
never
screen.
mind.
So sorry. I thought I was sharing screen. I didn't share screen.
You did.
I shared, right? Can see not the screen, Zaira?
Yes.
Okay. So you try. How much is it? Same method, huh?
I'll show you the model. I'll do the whole thing.
You have to do the model lah, again. You want to see the model? You can see the model. Yeah.
This is answer 50.
Well done.
What's the answer?
50.
50.
You get 50? Can you get 50?
The previous question, the
Mhm.
fraction is 8/2/5, is it?
8205 for which one?
Yeah, I don't know how to do.
Yeah, okay, we'll come to that in a
Wait,
moment.
wait, wait.
Question 1, you mean?
But you
Question
know
1,
the
is it?
model. Yeah, how you get 82
Okay.
now?
How do I get 82? Okay, so I'm going to show the question 2 first, okay? Can you see my screen? Okay, I'm just gonna draw first, okay? Shafika, you help me with this. Alice has
The answer.
no.
Oh, 40.
How you get 82? So Alice has 69, right? More than Bonnie. And then Katie has how much? More than Bonnie. Katie has 27 more than Bonnie. So first of all, do you have this particular model? You understand this
Yes.
model? Huh? Okay, now then they say, if we take Bonnie and Katie combined, they will have 40 more than Alice. So I'm going to draw them combined, okay, on this side here. I'm going to combine them. So Bonnie has 1 unit. I draw 1 unit. This is Bonnie. Okay, this is Bonnie, eh? And then after that, Katie has 1 unit plus 27. Katie is 1 unit plus 27. This is Katie. And they say that both of them combined is more. More than who? More than Alice. So let's say now I draw Alice. Now Alice has 1 unit plus 69. Somewhere around here, 69, roughly. This is Alice. Huh? And the difference they say is 40. So now I want to find out from here to here. This is okay. This is from here to here is 1 unit plus 27. Correct? 1 unit plus 27. This is 1 unit. It's 1 unit plus 27 is the same as 69 plus 40. Can you see now? 69 plus 40 is the same as the bottom. Okay, so 69 plus 40. This is equals to 109. 1 unit plus 27 is equals to 109. So I'm just going to draw this for you in case you don't get it. 1 unit is like that plus 27. This thing is equals to 109. I cancel 27, I minus 27, I minus 27 here. I find out the 1 unit is 82. And Bonnie has only 1 unit. So Bonnie must have 82. Do you get it?
Yes.
Okay. So now we are going to go to this question now. The similar question, which is now down here. So you try to draw the thing. I'm going to give you 1 more minute. Sophia can do now, Sophia.
I get 40.
40, okay, quite close. Okay, let us check. We're going to check. What about Raihana? What about you, Raihana?
I add wrongly.
Maybe add on. Okay, good.
What did
No, you got 50. Your answer is correct. 50.
I
Now
also
you're
got 50.
50. Okay, well done. What about Raihana and Sophia? Okay, anyway, I'm just going to draw this now. Alice, you have Alice. Huh? Not sure how to do it. Okay.
No, I can do another one.
Yeah, I'm going to give you another one. But we must make sure the other two understand first. Alice has 35. Has how many? Alice has 35 more candles than Bonnie. 35. This is Bonnie. Bonnie is still like that. And then it says that Kathy has 10 more than Bonnie. This Kathy has 10 more than Bonnie. And they tell us now we're going to draw down here, right? They tell us that what? If we add Bonnie and Kathy, this will be more, 25 more than Alice. So I'm going to draw down here. This is Bonnie and Kathy. Bonnie is 1 unit. Kathy is 1 unit plus 10. So I must draw 2 units. 2 units, 1 unit, 2 units. Plus 10. Plus 10 down here. This is Bonnie. And this here is Kathy. Theirs is 25 more than Alice. So I draw Alice. Alice is 1 unit. I draw Alice plus 35. Maybe somewhere around here. This is 35. And this is 25 less than Bonnie and Kathy. So let us see now. This is 1 unit plus 10. It's the same as 35 plus 25. 1 unit plus 10 is equals to 35 plus 25 equals to 60. 1 unit plus 60. What plus 10 equals to 60? 50 lah. So 1 unit is 50. Get it, Narayana? Okay, I'm going to turn the question.
Mr. Shaheed,
Yes, yes.
can I ask you a question?
Yeah. What is it?
Okay, is this the same method just now we do?
Let me open up. Hold on. Hold on. Wait. I'm going to
So, like, is it
screenshot.
the same method?
Hold on. Let me. Wait. Okay, I'm going to open up. I'm going to share screen. Let me see. Share screen, and then let's see what's the question. Oh, lots of stuff here. Where is your? Is this the one? Can see this? This is your paper, right? Okay, let me see now. Okay, Nora was given 1,100 cans of milk. She packed all of them into boxes of how many? What was the question?
8 with
Some left over.
Yeah.
So each box has 8. So how many? So same thing.
So
Yes,
is it
correct.
the same
Same type. Okay. So I want you all to try this question first, Ken. We're gonna break for Margaret now.
Yeah.
So, but we come back. We do this question. Okay, we do this question. Okay. Yeah, the same as just now. That method. Same method.
I cannot see clearly.
Okay. I will type out the question. I will write the question here lah. Hold on. I'll write the question here. So Nora was given. So you have different variations of the same type of question. That's why you need to do different types of it. Okay, I think you should be able to see soon. I will share what she packed them into boxes of 8 cans. So each box has 8 cans, and had some left over. Now the rest of you can also ask me questions like this, please, so that you are learning stuff. You see more stuff faster. How many cans were left over? Okay, so you can try this immediately after the prayer. I will share screen now down here. You can see the screen. This is the question now. Okay, I'll read it to you. Nora was given 1,100 cans of milk. She packed them into boxes of 8 cans. One box is 8 cans. Okay, one box got 8 cans. Okay, and she had some left over. How many cans were left over? So she packed them into boxes. Each box has 8 cans. So how many boxes were left over? How many cans were left over? You can find out. Okay, we take a short break for a while. Okay, leave the screen on. Yeah, I'm muting. 7:30. I'm going to do Margaret first. Assalamualaikum. Everyone, please come back. Maghrib is. What's your answer, Miss Sophia?
914.
914 is what was. They ask you how many cans were left over. 914. For this one. Show me your working. Show me your working. Use the same method, nah. Use the same method. Hold on. Now wait, Oh, just now I forgot to pause, Recording to. Okay. Let me now open up your. I'll share screen. I'll open up yours. Okay, just a moment, Just a moment. Where is it? Okay. Shafika, Zahira, Raihana, please come back. Don't play hide and seek at the playground. Come back now. What are you guys doing? In Maghrib, Okay, let's see. You can use a calculator, right, for this one? No, not allowed. Okay, but actually, okay, so now let's see. You divide this by 8. How come you get this? Let me see. So you got 137. 137 boxes, right? So now you take 137 times 8. So 1096 is the number of cans that are in the boxes. You got 1,100 cans. Oh, yo, this one, hello, miss. Look at your nonsense. This is what you're doing. 1,100 minus 1096 get 900 plus. Aduh. How come you minus like that? You can even count forward, miss. You can count 1097, 1097, 1098, 1099, 1,104 cans. You get 914. Allahu Akbar. Be careful lah, be careful. You know how to do. Do you get the answer, Zahira? Do you get it 4? 4, Okay, so I'm just going to share in case. Raihana, come back. Raihana, stop playing. Raihana, come back. Don't go to the playground, please.
I'm here.
Shafika also come back. Don't go to West Mall. It's not good for you. Maghrib time. Okay, here we go. Now.
BTS concert.
Concert, Okay, now. You're 1,100, right? So 1,100 divided. Yeah, you can go to the toilet now. Divide by 8. You get how much? What was the answer, Sophia? 1,100 divided by 8. You get
137. Yes, please.
137 point something, right? So now you know that you're going to have 137 boxes. This is 137 boxes. So you times by 8 to find out how many cans are inside, and you'll find that it's 1096. 1,096 cans are inside this 137 boxes. So how many cans are left? Just minus now. Now from this thing you can see, that it cannot be 900, 200, 300. It's just a few. Okay, the answer is 4. Now, if you get more than 8, what will happen? So if you get more than 8, the answer is more than 8, it can go into another box. You got 900, you can still pack into boxes of 8. Correct, not? You know what I'm talking about, Sophia? If let's say that now you make a mistake, say 914. This balance is so many, you can still put them in boxes of 8. One box has 8, but you can put some more. So you must look at the logic of it. If you get any answer more than 8 or more, 8 can go into another box. So must be less than 8. Okay. All right. Now we move on. Okay, Kampung people. Okay. Let us move on. Let me see. Where is it? Where are we now? Okay. So this one, you want me to give it? We move on to the next one again, or you want one more of this one? Move on.
Zahira. Just now you got school, is it?
Okay, here we go. A block of wood is dipped into a pail of paint. It's celup inside. Then after that, the block was cut into 3 identical cubes. So at first they put in the shape is like this. I just draw for you the shape, like that. The shape was like that. Okay, if you cannot see, okay, The shape was like that lah. Okay, and then it's something like that. When they originally they cut it, it was like that. Okay, this is the original one. And then after that they go and cut on here. Sorry, I cut wrongly lah. So they cut into 3 cubes. Anyway, so they dip into the paint lah. Okay. The total painted area of the 3 cubes is 696. Find the edge of each cube. The edge of each cube, that means what's the length of one side. Remember, in between here is not painted, because they celup inside first, then they cut. In case if you don't get it, I'll have to draw for you. So at first it was this shape. They put inside a pail of paint. Celup inside. Celup, you know celup, right? Dip it inside. They take it out. This side there's all paint down here. Then after that they go and cut. They cut it down here. They cut it down here, and they get 3 cubes. Cubes means all sides are the same. Do remember inside here there's no paint. You know, if you open up, there's no paint. Inside here, so there's no paint. So you got to find out the painted sides altogether is 686. You got to find how many squares is equals to 600, because this is a square, this is a square, this is a square, this is a square, How many of the painted squares are there? That's the clue I give you. How many painted squares are there? I'm going to calculate also myself. How many painted squares are there? Okay, we give you 2 minutes to figure out. Okay, I will draw another one. I draw one more here so that you can. Okay, but you have a question over there, so. Okay.
Mr. Shaheed,
Yes, miss.
guess what?
So, if you met my family, you will
Don't
understand.
mind.
What do you ask?
It's okay, my mother can hear. Plus, right, if you had my family, you will understand. You know it's from who?
Who?
You know it's from who? It's from Draco.
Draco. Draco become good in the end.
No.
And you still
I mean,
like
he had no choice.
Why you got no choice?
Because if he like choose to be good, right, later his father will kill him. Because his father is evil.
You read the books?
No, I watched the movie.
You know, watching is not as good as reading.
I'm not reading very long.
Not long. But can you imagine writing those books is even longer?
Yeah, I know.
So the one who writes will have the more knowledge.
You know, J.K. Rowling, right? She actually wanted to put like the last ending, like Draco macam like you know become good, and then but then like she didn't. She just like
Why? Yeah.
I don't know, because she said it's complicated, whatever lah.
Can you imagine she made millions and millions of dollars just by
You know why?
stuff.
Because right, she was actually like living in a. That time when she made the book, right, she was actually very homeless.
Yeah. She was with she was a single mother, right? Writing at restaurants and all. Okay, come. Have you got in it? You understand the question now?
I don't see anything. Just black.
Okay, you don't understand. Okay, come.
No.
Now imagine. Oh, you want to try? Okay, try first then. Try to understand the question first. Not difficult actually.
I need to leave first.
You go away. Okay. It is black.
The whole screen is black.
Yeah, okay. So that's why I've drawn for you down here.
No, like my whole
Down here. Down here. So now you must remember, let us look at the parts that are painted black. Okay, we'll color it black. So this is the part. Let's count the number of squares that are painted black. Down here on top is 1. On top is 2. Down here is 3. So can you see there's 3 squares on the top? Which also means there must be 3 squares at the bottom. Right? So the 3 squares at the bottom are the same. So you have bottom for here. There's 5 squares. And then one more at the bottom there, 6 squares. So top and bottom, so we have something like this really. The top is this shape. All right. Or I draw it better for you like that. So the top like that. The bottom also like that. There's 2 of these. So six squares. Top and bottom. So then at the side down here, we can count 1. Okay, now I remove top and bottom. Now I count the sides down here. All around it, say there's 1 on here, there's 2. Now this one is half. Because if you push this side, you will get 1 square here. So let's call this half, right? So we call it, consider it 3 already. 1, 2, 3. There's 4. At the back, 5. At the back, 6. Then 7. This one we counted it. And then 1 more down here, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So around it down here, around the sides here, okay, down here, the sides down here, we will get 8. There will be 8 of them. Okay, that means we are counting all this at the sides. So there's 8. So altogether, there's you plus 8 plus 6 is 14 squares. So 14 squares, the area of 14 squares, they have given you already. Area of 14 squares is 686 square cm. Right, they say again, I'm going to show you the question again now. The area of these squares is 686. So what's the area of 1 square? You got to find divide 686 divide by 14. Let us try. 686 divided by 14. So 686 divided by the 14 squares, you get 49 square cm. So 1 square is 49 square cm. Length times breadth is 49. What number times itself gives you 49? Because this is a square. The length and the breadth are the same. So answer is 7. 7 times 7. 7 times 7 equals to 49. So one side must be 7 cm. And that is your answer. 7 cm. Okay? Do you get it? Or you need one more question? Girls, are you there or not?
Yeah, get it.
Get it, right? It's easy, yeah? It's easy.
Sure.
Okay? We'll go to the next one.
This one.
Number 4. Number 4.
This one. You know what? My tuition teachers dog died.
Gracelyn and Hilda say the same amount of money. Oh, this one. So the clue is this. The clue this is a clue. So you got to draw a model now. Draw a model carefully, clearly. You can use calculator. If you draw correctly, you can get the answer quite fast. Okay. Try, When you do problem sums like this, do not give up. You have to believe in yourself. Your belief got to be very strong. You're like climbing a small mountain lah. Bukit, like Bukit Timah.
Sorry, actually,
No problem, no problem. Okay, so look at the clue. They are supposed to have the same amount of money. So you draw the same rectangle for both of them. For each of them. One you divide in 4 parts, one you divide in 3 parts, and then you compare. Find the same denominator, you'll be able to get it. Now, don't worry if you cannot do question 17 and all that. Our target is to get every one of you to pass. Even if you don't do question 17, question 16, question 15, question 14, you can still pass. You got to be careful, paper 1, and do your best for paper 2. So I'm not going to teach you as if I want you to score 100 points, 100%, no. Huh? Our target here is to get you to pass mathematics for this year. Next year, then we go for the A lah. Because I have to fix a lot of holes, right? So that's why. It's okay. The holes, many of them have been fixed already. There's still some holes, but inshallah it's okay. Anyone got an answer? One minute left, 1 minute.
Cho.
2 minutes left then, 2 minutes left.
Is the answer $227.50?
I'm so sorry. It is not. Please try again.
Little Chen don't have story.
Sorry?
Little Chen end
Can.
early.
Yes, yes. You'll think this time I'll tell you a bedtime story.
No, I don't want. I haven't ate.
Make it all the same.
After that, you'll be going to sleep. So the answer is not 227 though.
Make it all the same.
Sorry, is the what all the same?
Make it all the same.
Make it all the same. Yes. Make it the same number of parts in each.
So 4/12 and 3/12.
No, you can't make them the same. But the yes,
Then
yes,
what
yes,
is it?
correct. 4/12, 3/12, correct. And then
And then 1 unit is no. Wait, no. 1 unit is the one, right?
what one?
1 unit.
1
Because
unit is
4
what one?
unit minus 3 units.
Good,
Then 1
correct.
unit is $32.50.
So one person has how many units?
One person has 12.
Good. And then what are you going to do to 32 and 50? Times by? You're almost there. You're almost there. You're
Is it
almost.
times 4?
Why you times 4?
Oh, is it times 7?
Times 7. Okay, we're going to show you now in a. You're almost there. Is it Sophia or Shafika? I don't know who is who now.
Me. Sophia.
Sophia. So you are just one more step. You already gotten it. You got the most difficult part. So let us see now. Okay, I'll just read the question. Gracelyn and Hilda saved the same amount of money. Okay, here we go. So you draw one for Gracelyn. Not nicely drawn. But never mind. For your exam, it's not nicely drawn. It's okay. Okay, this is Gracelyn. And what's the other girl's name? Hazelina. Hilda. Hilda. Both have the same amount. So you draw this. This is Hilda. This is Gracelyn. Okay. I will give you another question after this. Now, then they tell you something after this. So they tell you now, this particular part, you have to understand what it means. They say 1/3 of Gracelyn savings. So it's more than 1/4 of Hilda savings. So when they say 1/3 of Gracelyn savings, I am going to divide Gracelyn saving into 1/3. This is 1/3. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. So I divide the whole to 3 parts. So I get 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. And then the other one, Hilda's, she's talking about 1/4. 1/4 I divide into 4 equal parts. Can you see that 1/3 is bigger than 1/4? Can see, right? And they say, again, now we read the question again so that you are very clear about this. They say that 1/3 of this saving, now here, I'm going to color this, is more than what? Than 1/4 of this. This is now, Hilda is 1/4. This part down here is more, the part that is more. Can you see now? This part is the more part. And they say this part down here is $32.50. What's the original amount of money is the whole thing. Original amount of money, whole thing. So what do we do? Sophia says, look, there's 3 parts here, there's 4 parts here. Why don't we divide them into 12 parts? How does she get 12 parts? Say 3 times 4 is like you are taking 1/3 plus 1. You know, you get the same denominator times 3 times 4. So you get 12 parts. And that's good. So in order for it to be 12 parts, there's three parts, right? So each part must be divided into 4 lah. If you divide this into 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see? It's 12 parts. And then for the 4 parts here, you divide it into 3. You divide into 3, these lines all will flow together. Okay? If you draw properly, it will flow together. So divide into 3, divide into 3, divide into 3. So then you realize something. 1/3 is actually 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. 1/4 is 1, 2, 3 parts. So 4 parts, 4 small parts, 3 small parts for Hilda. This 4 small parts is bigger by 3250. So this one part here is 3250. So how many parts are there altogether? 12 parts, right? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Altogether, there's 12 small units. So 12 units is equal to 12 times 3250. That's all. And you get $390. That is your answer. Oh, you cannot see, yeah? Okay, what did you all tell me? Okay, I repeat again. Originally, we divide this into 3 parts. Okay, so then this one got 4 parts. As Sophia says, we can divide them to 12 parts. Yes, that's correct. You divide this 3 into 4, 4, 4, 4. See, 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. Then for the Hilda's one, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 12 also. So you will get this this model where you can see 1/3 has 4 units, 1/4 has 3 units, and they say this is more than this by 3250. So 3250 is for one small one here. All of this is 3250, 3250, 3250, 3250, 3250, 3250. You're not going to plus all them. You can just take 12 times 3250, 390. That's it. You get it or not? Alamak, wah, you're doing apa ni? Adalah lubang tengok kat dalam ini ya. Hey, you understand what I'm teaching or not? Should I give you another question? I'll give you another question. Okay? Now you try my question. This one you know how to do. It's very simple, right? Okay, let's see now. Inshira, okay, and Zahira were given the same amount of money. Okay, Inshira and Zahira given the same amount of money. 1/3 of Inshira's money is $10 more than 1/5 of Zahira's money. Okay, Zahira's money lah. How much did they have at first?
Sure.
Yes.
What time class end?
We end another 15 minutes.
4 minutes.
No, we end 8:15. There was a break of 15 minutes, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, this girl want to run away.
No, she just wants
Hello.
story.
20 hours already.
Sorry. Not even 1.5 hours, just 1 hour and not even.
Because just now I go to school later, I had a 7-hour tuition. Then
Oh, what happened in school? 7 hours. 7 hours maths lesson.
yeah.
I think if you have straight hair, your hair will go curly. But all right, never mind. We will. Let's try this first. Inshira's question. Inshira and Zahira were given the same amount of money. 1/3 of Inshira's money is $10 more than 1/5 of the money. So you draw something like that. You draw. Okay. Then after that we will have a. But what story
Sure,
can I tell you?
I got a paper of maths questions you can use.
You don't know how to do it?
No, I got a paper of maths question we can use.
Oh, we can use. Okay. But we try this one first. Can we try this one so that you know? Zahira so tired already.
I'm just Shaheed. Is 13 worksheets, 13 booklets of 13 booklets of paper to do for homework for 1 week. Okay.
It's crazy.
Is it like okay?
No, it's not okay. It's not okay. This is okay. This always happens in Singapore because the teacher is supposed to complete the worksheets by a certain time, and then in the end they rush everything. You cannot rush learning, So my suggestion.
Okay.
It's not okay.
1 week 13 booklets to do.
Even madrasas also
No,
doing
for
this.
homework, like for this week, and then like
This week means
No, don't have any school, right? From Monday to.
Oh, okay,
from
okay. Now you don't have any school. Okay. If you don't have any school, that means you do two
Then okay,
worksheets. Yeah, not so bad lah. Okay. But if you have school, it won't be fair. If you
Yeah,
don't have school, it's okay. But hopefully the other subjects do not do the same thing. If every subject teacher is giving you the same thing, it's not fair. Okay, but
Yeah, you know
anyway,
why?
you,
Because
you
I have
try
nothing
you
on this to do.
okay, then you just do your best.
Yeah,
Do
I
your
already
best.
finished.
Finish all 13 in one day.
No, like
Like last week. You said the holiday, right? Now is it the holiday now? I was told it's holiday. But anyway, can you get the answer not? Inshira and Zahira? Cannot now. Aduh, what happened to you guys? I think too many distraction. Huh? Okay, if you can, okay, I will show you how to do this one. Just very simple. It is very, very, very simple. Okay, you just need to know. If you can do, I will give you another question like this. So they tell us that one Inshira and Zahira is the same amount of money. So this is now we draw. Okay, this is Inshira's money. Inshira's money. Zahira also the same amount of money. Inshira, Zahira. And then Inshira's one is divided into 3 parts. And Zahira's one is divided into 5 parts. Something like that. Okay, 3 parts and 5 parts. And the question tells us that Inshira's money is $10 more. Means down here is $10 more Zahira's money. So this is Zahira's money, 1/5. Inshira's one is 1/3. The part that is more is down here, $10 more. Means down here. But in order for us to compare, I need to divide this into all smaller parts until they are same. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units here. There's 1, 2, 3, 3 units here, and they are the same actually. So let us make it the same. Or I just times by 5, I times by 3, I make it 15 units. 15 units. So I divide this into, each of these I times 3 means I divide into 3. Each unit I divide into 3. Can you see it flows now? This one, can you see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just nice. Okay, then you, again, this one divide into 3 also. Okay, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down here now, 1. There's 2 here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you look at it, 1/3 of Inshira's money is actually 5 units. 1. Yeah, right in red. Or right in black. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 small units. And Zahira's one is 1, 2, 3 units. So take 5 units minus 3 units, you get $10. So 5 units minus 3 units is equals to 2 units. So 2 units is equals to $10. 1 unit is $5. Now Inshira and Zahira has 15 units. So just, you know, 1 unit is $5. 5 times 15, you get $75. So they each have $75. Okay, you all look as if you're.
I'm just trying.
Yes.
I need to go take something.
Yeah, take. You don't need to tell me. Okay, so I'm going to move on to the next question, okay? Because we need to have more practice. Notice, I've spent a lot of time on paper 1. Why? You need to know the basic stuff before we go to paper 2. This happens every year. If you start with me at primary 6, I had to spend like 7, 8 months catching up primary 5 work, primary 6 work, primary 4 work. And so that's why we only reach to the end. Then only now we can do the very, very tougher questions. But they're not so tough. Okay, you try now. Number 5. The table shows the number of books a group of pupils borrowed from the school library in a week. %60 borrowed 3 books. Your clue,
Where can I go?
You're tired, You
Yeah.
wanna go? Okay, only thing,
Yeah, it's okay.
you can go, but I'll just tell you, Sunday most probably you have to have the lesson at 12 o'clock. Is that okay with you?
Have the lesson at 12.
I need to have instead of 2:30 at 12 or at 4:30, either one. I will message your parents because I will be on some YouTube interview. So to raise money for the people in Cambodia. So okay, if you need to go, you can go, no problem. Okay, we have
You know what? I just stay.
got two
Study.
time.
Usually our class how many hours?
1.5 only. But because you have 7 hours class in school,
No, it's not school. It's tuition on Zoom.
tuition is in where? At home.
So basically, my mom will sign me up for this 15-hour tuition thing for like 2 days,
Okay.
and then half of this day I haven't eat yet. Only ate like bread. Then I got scolded at school for sleeping in class.
You didn't have time for food? Or?
I don't have time for food.
So is that tuition finished already? Or still got some?
Don't have any more, but my mom wants to sign me up for more.
Your mom cares for you lah. Your mom wants you to really do well.
She just walked in. My mom just walked in. She think my class finished. Wait, I can't go out. You here?
I can hear.
Wait, sure. Last time my brother got, was he resilient in his work? Or was he like one of the troublemakers?
There was no troublemakers really because I scolded them back here. But your brother was, I think, he.
How you scold?
Skip tuition He skipped tuition.
No, he didn't. He did not skip tuition. He just came late with the other. There's one other student.
I remember. His name
Nabil or
is
something.
Like, yeah, his name is Nabil. Then
So-
my father, even go one time he go skip your tuition class.
Oh,
Then
Let's
he
try
go follow Nabil go he go follow Nabil go McDonald's.
yes.
Then
So
my father go and call my sepak takraw teacher, ask him go and kick him out.
Oh,
Then abang cry because he want to stay in sepak takraw.
I see.
Then
Yeah,
the last time he got home tutored, right? Then he got so much homework when he go and curse at the teacher.
the thing is,
Mr. Shaheed,
yes.
is it when you scold people, right, they cry?
No lah, no. Okay. I've scolded students until they hyperventilate. So that was a very bad thing for me to do because I'm normally very calm, and then when I shouted at them, no, I do not want to shout anymore.
I think you're too calm.
Too calm.
Yeah.
But you see, most students who are weak in maths, they are scared of maths. If I become strict, can you imagine how scared people will be? Yeah, I mean, a lot of the students who I want to teach, I do not want to teach those who are good in maths. There's no reason to teach them. I want to teach students who really need the help. So in order to do that, I need to.
Oh, you should teach my friend.
Sorry?
You teach my friend, but then it's already too late.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Wait, can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can hear
Is
you.
it loud?
What time finish?
Okay, we are finishing in 5 minutes. After this
Oh,
question,
5
we
minutes.
finish. Yes, we finish
Oh.
this question. Zaira, can you,
Answer
Zaira?
26. Ow.
Answer is 26.
My parents are asking what.
Congratulations, Miss Shafika.
Wait.
Congratulations.
I was talking to you and then you.
Okay, so Shafika, right? You got 26, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's very, very simple. They tell you now 60% borrowed 3 books and 4 books or more. So this is now 60%, these two. Because they say 60% of the pupils borrowed 3 books or more. This is 3 books. More also is included. So these two you add 63 plus 81, you get 144, I think. This is 60%. This is 60%. You want to find how many pupils didn't borrow any books? Well, you need to find out the rest down here. The rest down here is 40%, right? So you can find out what's 40%. Now, how to find out what's 40%? Well, you can use the formula method many different ways. Okay, we use, okay, 60%, 144. You can find 20% if you want to, 20%. Why 20%? I'll tell you in a moment. Huh? So you divide by 3, you get from 60 to 20, 6 divided by 3, you get 2, right? 20. So divide this by 3. How much you get? Let's see, 120 is 40. 20, 120, 144, how much is it? Divide by 3, yeah? 12, you get 4. And 2, 4. 24 divided by 8, 48. Right? And then you want to find the balance. The balance is how much? 40%. So you times by 2. So you get 96. So 96 is the 40%. So here is 96. So you take 96 minus 36 minus 34. How much you get? That's the answer. You get 9. So you get take 96. Yeah. 96. Yeah. Oh my goodness, what is that? It's very scary, Mona Lisa. 96 minus 36 minus 34, and you will get 28. All right? Am I correct? 96, 98 or 96? You get 26, yeah. You get 26.
Anna.
Yeah. Okay?
You never take any picture.
All right, we will stop here. You all cannot concentrate already. One is lying on the bed, ready going to sleep. It's okay. Yeah, if you have 7 hours,
Can
that
you
means
tell us
yeah.
something?
No, not 7, 20 hours of
Okay. Yeah, it's too long. You cannot push yourself. You know, when I was a long time ago, before you guys were born, when my students are now in their 30s now, it was during PSLE time. I think I told you this before. They came from school, they're also tired, and most of my students were Chinese, you know. So what happened? What did I do?
Chinese always so good one.
No, but they're really hardworking. They're really
Yeah,
hardworking.
that's why Chinese very good.
And then what happened?
I never eat anything.
Why don't you go and eat now? Oh my goodness, you look as if you got no food there. Sometimes you got no food, you feel
I eat bread for 2 days straight.
So why don't you eat now? Is that food? Okay. So anyway, during the class itself, when they are so tired, and so they are so tired of studying, what I did was we had balloon volleyball in the class. So what am I telling you? What am I telling you? I'm telling you that you all need to go cycling, you need to go playing, you need to go outside towards the exam.
I don't know how to.
No, you have to, because once you play, when you physical games are not computer games.
Time to get Draco Malfoy.
Ayo.
Okay, shut up. That's another thing.
Sorry.
All right then. Inshira, you okay, Inshira? All right then. What is that Draco Malfoy? That's Korean stuff. Okay then. I will say adieu to you. Bit adieu. I do not know what story to tell you.
How about the boys? The Nowhere Boys?
Nowhere Boys. I didn't watch. I got no time.
No, the one that you made.
Huh? Oh, that one. Then you all say you want boring.
We watch anime after class next time.
Can. After PSLE, you have no 4 weeks only.
Yeah, after PSLE, you can still have Zoom. I can go back to.
Yeah, you can chat on Zoom, but I don't think anyone will want to chat with me on Zoom, right? You see, look, Inshira, she also doesn't want to chat with me.
Inshira.
Okay then. All right, you take care. All the best. All right. By the way, can I ask you, are you all able to have Sunday's lesson at 12 noon? Because I need to be on a.
What time?
You know who's Sheikh? Can 12 o'clock can, right?
What, Shakespeare?
Sheikh
Can.
Annabelle Francis and Sheikh. What's his
Nika.
name? There's some star lah. They are going to
Can.
interview me about the Cambodian school to collect money. So the company have told me, look, I have to be interviewed at 3 o'clock. So if can we have it at 12 o'clock? Is it okay? 12 o'clock, is it okay?
Yes.
Can, huh? Sophia can at 12 o'clock?
Yes, I'm free every day.
Every day.
Just kidding,
Raihana can, huh?
yeah, just kidding.
Okay.
Can.
I'm
All
never
right
free.
then. Inshira, how are you, Inshira? You seem to be eating. Good.
I'm good. Yeah.
Okay. How are you doing in
Abang
maths?
Ryan bad. Every day only learn
Okay, I'm
history.
doing. Doing
Okay.
good. English, are you doing good?
No.
Okay. All right then. Okay, see you, adik.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye.